Hello friends, this is Amok Kaliwa. Welcome to my channel, Saisha's Tech. In the last video, we understood why data science is important, and we also spoke about many tools which we can utilize to analyze data. Now, in this video, we will be understanding the process of installation of one of the tools, that is R, which is widely utilized by the data scientists around the world. Now, let me share my screen to walk you through the process of installation. Before we start installation process, let me walk you through some of the advantages of Microsoft R Client as compared to CranR. CranR is a combination of two words, CRAN, which is a FTP based global server which stores code documentations related to R. R is a freely available language which helps to solve a problem by building numerous algorithms like linear and non-linear modeling, statistical modeling, time series analysis, clustering, and so on in data science. The disadvantages of CranR are there is no parallelization of functions and there is no version controlling of packages. Microsoft R Client is an open source community supported software which is utilized by the data scientists for high performance analytics. It is built on top of the CranR to run solutions locally. Advantages of Microsoft R Client over CranR are it is a two-thread parallelization process and it has versional controlling of packages. Microsoft R Server, it is a commercial software that runs on a range of platforms at a much greater scale with infrastructure handling capacity for any major workloads. The advantages of Microsoft R Server are it can run on multiple thread parallelization of processes. It can process data in multiple data nodes, that is multiple computers. And it can work on platform specific components. These are the links to download the latest version of Microsoft R Client, RStudio, JDK, and to set the Java path settings in Windows. We have spoken earlier about Microsoft R Client. Now, RStudio is a GUI, that is graphical user interface between R and users. Similarly, JDK, which is a Java development kit, helps us to load Excel files into R. Now, let us browse through each one of the links and download the softwares. I will provide all these links of software installations in the description of YouTube. We have completed the process of download. Now let us continue with installation. In the first step, we will install Microsoft R Client, thereafter RStudio, and we will complete the installation with JDK. The next important part of installation is Java path settings, as it helps us to load Excel files into R and unpackaging of packages of R from CRAN. To perform this, please go to the search of Windows and type Advanced System Settings. When you find the Advanced System Settings, please click on it. After clicking on the Advanced System Settings, a new tab will be popped up called System Properties. In System Properties, please navigate to Environment Variables. In the Environment Variables, please navigate to System Variables, and in System Variables, click on New System Variable and create a Java Home as a variable name and the location where the JDK is installed in the variable value as shown in picture. Thereafter, in System Variables, choose Path and edit Path Environment Variable. In Path Environment Variable, add new environment variable with Java Home \bin as shown in the picture. Now, to complete the whole process of Java path settings, please open command prompt from Windows and thereafter type Java -version. If it displays the version of the Java, then your Java path settings has been right. After completion of Java path settings, when you open RStudio, this is the interface which you will observe in RStudio. Now you can see over here that R version 3.5.3 Great Truth is being installed. Now let us see whether packages are running. I have pre-installed SLX package. I am just loading the package into RAM. As you can see, the line of code has been executed. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.